hobbyists, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Santa and his reindeer, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started right on the top with the reindeer, and we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the reindeer's head. I'm just going to connect that back together like that. Right in the middle coming down, we're going to draw in a sideways oval for the nose. Let's move across. We're going to draw in an arch line on the left and right hand side for the eye. And then moving down on a diagonal, we're going to draw in another sideways oval for the cheek. Right in the middle now for the mouth, we're going to draw in another arch line, dipping that down in the center. And then as we come up for the eyebrows on both sides, we're just going to draw in a small curved line. Now let's draw on the ears. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in, and we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. Now from here in the middle, we're going to curve this through towards the side of the head. Now on the top for the antlers, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming out. From here now, we're going to curve this line around and in. And then from that point again, we're going to curve this line around and through on the side, connecting that to the ear. Let's come down for the arms now hanging over Santa's hat. So from the middle, stepping over, we're going to curve this line around and through for the front leg. And then we're going to flip across on the right-hand side, replicating that, just bringing that around and then back up. Now from here, let's close off the hoof of this with a curved line from left to right. Now let's move down and draw in Santa. So we're going to start with his hat. We're going to curve this line down on the left. We're going to line this up the exact same height on the right-hand side, and we're just going to curve this small line through towards the top. Now on the back, we're going to arch that line out on a diagonal. And now from here, let's draw in a circle. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle, arching that around and down. And then above this, we're just going to curve this over and through towards Rudolph's head. Now let's step down. So we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then we're going to move down, leaving a gap, and we're going to draw in another curved line, extending that past our line on the top. Let's close this off on both sides now. So we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that around and in, joining those lines together. Let's move down in the middle. We're going to draw in another nice big circle for Santa's nose. And then coming over beside this for the eye, we're just going to draw in another arch line on both sides. Now let's move up for the eyebrow, again, curving this over and in. Let's close off the mouth underneath. So we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, right underneath that nose. And then we're going to, from that point, curve this all the way back around and up on the right. Now for the tongue, we're going to draw in another arch line from left to right. Let's come beside the nose here. We're going to curve this around and through towards the top. And again, we'll just replicate that on the right. Now let's come across on a diagonal. For that arm, we're going to arch this line around and out. And then we're going to replicate that on the right, curving this around and back through on the side. Now let's close off the hands. So we're going to arch this down on the diagonal on both sides. And then moving through again to close off the wrist. Let's just replicate that one more time. Right in the middle for the beard, we're going to draw in a curved line, bringing that up. And now let's close off the side of the beard. So we're just going to arch this around and through towards that top corner of the hat. Let's draw on the ear. So from that corner, we're just going to draw in a half circle on both sides. And now closing off the arm underneath, we're just going to continue to curve this back around and in towards that beard. Let's move out. On a diagonal, we're going to draw in Santa's jacket. So we're going to draw two diagonal lines, ending those at the same height. And then from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Now from here on the side, we're going to curve this all the way around and then back in. In the middle for the belt buckle here, we're just going to draw in a nice big square. Moving in towards the middle, we're going to replicate that again, just making this one smaller. And now coming out on both sides for that belt, we're going to curve this line up towards both of the arms. And then dropping down again, let's replicate that, bringing that in towards the middle, stretching that out on the right. Now let's leave a gap. From both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on the left and right hand side. And then for the foot, we're going to scoop this back around and in. And then now from that point on a curved line, we're just going to bring that up on a diagonal towards the bottom of that suit jacket. And then from that corner, we're going to curve this back around and in towards the middle. And that is it. That's how you draw Santa and Rudolph. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.